one realization I want to preserve is how to do this. Okay, how do I get transcript for my videos? So first thing I need to do, I actually made a mistake in that today. I forgot that I was using bash, git bash, and I opened the folder that the videos were in VS Code, and then I opened git bash, and then I installed ffmpeg that I use to convert, like get out an audio stream from a video if it has multiple streams, okay? And using this command, and also later, like I would do something where I would take the audio file, the one that I want, and then make it so that this video has only this audio. Okay, so it would basically, I would use ffmpeg to take this video and remove all audio from it. So I'm only taking the video and then just add this one audio. So I don't have like multiple audio streams. Okay, and this is so that, YouTube only gets one audio stream. So if you have three, and it also doesn't let you select any of your which stream you want to have. So like I can show you, I have these videos. Okay, let's take a look at this. Yeah, this video, and it doesn't have audio, right? You can't really hear anything from it. My audio is actually in simple AAC recording 1. So this is my mic audio, and this recording 0, this one is actually the system audio. So if I play a video, then the sound that is going to be system sound, that's going to be recorded here. So system audio, mic audio, and then this one is both. Yeah, so it would capture both of these sounds, kind of. Yeah, so now you heard that kind of from this video. So that was the problem. But the thing is, the default one was, the 0th one was treated as default. So when I open it in this app, this VLC media player, then it would start playing this audio. Okay, this is the default audio, and even YouTube would take this audio. And because of that, I uploaded a video and it had no audio on YouTube. Okay, so I had to delete that. And yeah, so to fix this, I had to do this thing of taking the audio that I wanted, which is the mixed audio file, second one. And we know the I am recording my videos using this OBS Studio. So the audio stream 0 is it starts counting from 0. So the third one is the second one, basically. So I have to take the audio out using this command. I just do ffmpeg -i, and then I write my the name of the video. Okay, so it is this date and time.mp4, and because it has a space, I had to enclose it in quotation marks, and then I write -map and then 0:A:2. So this, I guess A means audio, and it extracts the second track. Okay, so it has 3 tracks, 0, 1, and 2. If I write 2 here, then it will extract the second track. And then where I want it to extract, like which file name do I want it to be saved as? So I wrote the exact same name, but like the _3 for, I am taking the third audio track, and then .m4a, because I guess this is what is taking out the audio file as, like in this format. I don't know, like ChatGPT probably had it written, so I just copied that, and since then I'm just using .m4a as the extension. I don't know if it's necessary. Yeah, but this is how I extract the audio track that I need. And then to actually map it to the video, I completely forgot, but it's in the video itself, so we can look at the video. Yeah, video is in this folder, tools, and yeah, we actually don't have to watch the video itself. Did I make a mistake? Did I close something? Yeah, probably my laptop can't handle apps being closed like this. Probably because they get upset. Like, how could I close them the moment they just opened up? How could I close them? Like, they were probably upset. That's why this happened. Right? Yeah. So I have screenshots of the commands. Open up. Yeah, this is not the right thing. Yeah, so how do I get the video with just this one audio? Okay, so yeah, so ffmpeg-I, then the video name dash map 0v, so I think v is for video, and then dash map 0a2. So this is the second track of, the A means audio probably, and then 2 means the third track, okay, because counting starts from 0. So yeah, so I'm mapping the video and then the audio, and then I'm doing dash C copy, and then writing the name of the file, like how do I want the final video, what name do I want it to be saved as. So this is what I need to do. I need to do this ffmpeg-I, then write the name of the video file, then do dash map 0:v, then dash map 0:a:, the track number, counting starts from 0, then dash C copy, then name of the final file name that I want the video to be saved as, something like that. So this is how we use ffmpeg to solve the problem that I had with whatever, not having the right audio track as the default one. Okay, and later on, like, I solved this problem in OBS Studio itself, because the way I chose those specific audio tracks, like what audio they were getting in here, so you can see I have one checked in, so 1 and 1, like both of these, desktop audio also checked, mic also checked. So the first track, the track 1, which is going to be track 0, is going to have both sound from like both of these sources, so system audio and also from the mic. And then the second one is going to have only the mic audio, and the third one is only going to have the system audio. Okay, and if I had more sources, I could like have them selected too, so that they would create multiple track. And why did I do that? Because I sometimes, I would play a video and the video sound would be much higher than my mic audio, my sound. So like it would be really hard to correct that, like in editing. So if you have different tracks, then I can just select the desktop audio track and then just lower the volume down for that, because that one was the loud one. And yeah, like that will be much easier. Okay, so this is the reason. Yeah, and now I made it like the first audio track has both sounds. So now like this becomes the default one. So when I open the video in VLC or I upload it to YouTube, the sound that goes there, that's like the actual, like both of those sources. And also I lowered this, so the desktop audio isn't so high. That was the original problem, so I kind of turned it down to low, and mine is like really high, so that it equalizes the loudness for both of the sources, something like that. And yeah, so that's one thing. But then I also wanted to generate transcripts like I am doing right now. And so how do you do that? So I downloaded, like installed some OpenAI Whisper, and I don't remember how I did that. ChatGPT just gave me some kind of command to install Whisper, and then after it is installed, I can just do python-m whisper, write the name of the audio file, and I think I have to write an audio file, like it wouldn't work with a video file. So audio file, and then I write dash model, and I'm using the base model, okay? And we have to specify the output format, so write dash output format, and the output format is txt, and I'm writing dash language English because, you know, the audio is in English. I want English transcript, right? So that's why. And because, you know, it would take 30 seconds to detect the language, so I thought writing it down would be better. So this is the whole command, python -m whisper audio name, you know, audio file name, then dash model base dash output format txt dash language English. Okay, and then when you enter, then it's gonna start generating the transcript, and it would actually generate it like here. It would show it in the output in the console, and but you know, it's also going to generate a text file with the same file name as the video, but like with a .txt extension. So that is really good. I would get the transcript, and the transcript is pretty good, you know, and it's free. I'm getting it for free, and I don't have to sign in to some random sites and then find out that, you know, in order to export the transcript, you have to pay them money. Okay, so yeah, it's much better this way. And yeah, so I could have used other models. This is the base model. There are other, like there's a model called small, and maybe a model called fast, I don't know. But when I first ran this command, then it actually downloaded the base model, and it was I don't know, like 150 MB. And so we installed it, downloaded it, and then you know, then it started generating it. But then since it's now installed, then I don't, when I run it, like it already has that, so it doesn't have to install again. But if I use some other model like small, etc., then it would cause like it would take time. And I saw, like, I think it was the small model that was really big. It was like 441 MB. Okay, so this is how I generate transcripts. And yeah, so what do? My workflow to actually writing all these commands is I go to the folder, you know, maybe this is the folder, or this is the folder where my videos are, and then I open this folder in VS Code. You know, we can do it by writing cmd, and then in the command prompt we can write code space dot, and then it would open that folder in VS Code, or we can just go to file and then open the folder, you know, by navigating to it. And then we have the, it would show all of the things that are in the folder, all the videos. Then we're gonna write the commands, you know, this one. And if the file name has spaces, then we need to enclose it in these parentheses. And how do I get the file name? I just go and I can do, you know, copy relative path, or I can just copy the file name. So I can go to rename and then copy the whole file name and then put it in, you know, here, and then write the correct command like I have shown, and then it would do the job. Okay, and I'm using git bash, and yeah, that's it.